How you guys doing? I'm Andy with My SEEL Trades.
And I'm Sarah.
So today was not really that eventful.
No, not really.
Today was pretty slow, and
the first trade we took was SEEL. It had news that they offered interim data from phase 1 study of intranasal racemic ketamine.
SEEL, no volume. Definitely not something that I normally play with at that point. Anyways, but I just was feeling like I wanted to do some market research and take a tiny position and just throw it in there just to see exactly how it would behave.
It's always fun.
Well, how it behaved was exactly like any other stock in any other size position that turns against you. I believe it brought me up 2 cents.
Yeah.
I think it was up 2 cents. So I could have closed it out for my 2 cents per share, but I decided to not do that, and I just left it, walked away, went and did everything else that I was doing, looking at other things, honestly looking at social media and everything, and that's it. Like, came back, and the little tiny trade literally turned into a bee sting that kind of hurt, and then he popped all the way back up to my number. When I say he, I mean it. I mean whoever was buying and selling this at that time.
Right.
I didn't let it go because it was right below my number, and I was like, no, I'm gonna wait until I get profit in this, because it's just not, I want a winning trade at least out of this. But no, I bounced back down, and then I said, you know what, this just isn't worth it. I'm not gonna hold this and wait for it to go back and test support on the daily again. And that's the thing about these stocks. I mean, this was just a little play test trade, not play because it's a real trade, but it was just a test trade. And the thing is like, when these stocks, these penny stocks especially, when they pull back against you, you may think that, oh, I'm just gonna hold this for the long haul. Like, I'll be here for the next year or 3 years, whatever it takes. I'm gonna stick it out. Or you may not even think that far ahead. You might think that, oh, I'll get it back in a couple of days. This thing bounces a lot. Look at that chart. Look at the spaces of time between the last pop and the next pop and the next pop.
Definitely wears you out, huh?
I mean, we're talking about usually these things are a minimum of a month for the best case scenario, and at least on average 4 months. And then the thing is like, there's no limit to it. Like, this could be forever. This thing could, these kind of stocks could turn into a reverse split situation.
That's a lot of reverse split. Yeah.
And then trade down and then reverse split. Perhaps trade down and then reverse split. I mean, I'm just saying, the point is that it can send you to oblivion, and they really don't pop back up. It's not worth holding these things for any reason.
No, it's not.
I'm not telling you to let go of any of your trades. You manage your trades and you talk to whoever you need to handle your trades. But for us, I'm just saying that there's a market closing right there.
Yeah.
So yeah, basically, it's not worth holding any of these penny stocks. It's in the heat of the moment. I think that you don't want to lose. You don't want to give up. You don't want to let the stock win. Let whoever's trading against you win. Just whatever it is. You don't want to admit to yourself that you're wrong. You don't want to take that loss because it's painful, especially if that loss got too big. Bigger losses are harder to let go than smaller losses. Smaller losses are easy. Just click the button, buy. Who cares? And you're proud of yourself. You pat yourself on the back. But a big loss, several $1,000 losses. I've had a $3,000 loss. I have rode and been in the red $7,500. This is facts. I have felt this sort of pain myself. So I'm speaking from experience, out of stupidity and just experience. So
you don't want to hold on to those suckers.
Ignorance.
Yeah.
Yeah. Some of it's not even stupidity. Some of it's just ignorance. And when people tell you, get educated before you do these things, lower your expectations and just try to be a good trader. Don't. It's not about becoming rich and getting all that money.
Yeah, because that's probably a lot of times when the mistakes are made. So
what else do we trade?
TRIL.
TRIL. What do you got to say about that?
TRIL was moving yesterday too. No news either day. No known news anyway.
Yeah. So. Yeah. Basically, this was one of those right thesis, wrong time trades for me.
Yeah, that's true.
I got it more at Anyways, I got it. It pulled back. It didn't pull back too far. It was within reason. It was not within my max risk for the trade or even close. But the thing is it was annoying. It was tedious. You never know with these things, especially I know that I hear a lot of people saying you don't need 15 seconds, but when you are in a trade, an active day trade type, quick in and out moment type of trade, the 15 seconds shows you it's stair stepping down, and this is that new level of resistance forming that's, from whoever's averaged down in the stock, like, they're averaging down and then boom, new resistance, averaging down, boom, new resistance, and you got to keep these things in mind when you're in these plays. What are the shorts doing? Who's averaging? It's like the market maker has a net and it's pulling in this side, not this side. And when I say the market maker, I don't necessarily mean some like master plan market maker who's actually like, I don't know. What I mean is whoever is actually making the movement in this stock right now. Whoever is more intelligent than you at that, has more tools at their disposal and see what's going on and who's there and what they're doing. And it could be simply as just a normal retail trader, that could be the market maker for a stock, in my opinion, from what my definition is right now, here, loosely.
Right.
But anyways, yeah, after I got out, went up.
Yep, that's how it always, you didn't lose, and there's always going to be more left.
And guys, again, I made the same stupid mistake. I have one quick trade bar with my cash account, one quick trade bar with my margin account. And I start checking this stock out for I got shorts. TradeStation just loaded me up on shorts today.
Yeah.
Anything I asked for, basically, I got it. Like yesterday was the same thing, just a huge list. I can't even believe I didn't post it. I should go and still post this one today. And what I got, the only refusal or denial on any of the short locates were, it was understandable anyways.
Yeah. I don't remember which one, but
That's another thing, guys. A lot of the shorts that I've been getting, I'm asking to locate these shorts kind of last minute. TradeStation is actually finding them, which is amazing for these type of stocks, to get them on that short a notice. And then, but the thing is I'm getting them like literally 15 seconds too late, 2 minutes too late, because of my own, because I took too long to actually, locate the shares and try it out myself. But that's pretty awesome. I mean, you guys, if you haven't checked out TradeStation, you definitely check them out. Links in the description.
They're really good. Really awesome broker.
I went to TradeStation for one reason, because I was told, I read that they had the best shorts, the best short locates. Anyways, and well, I believe it. We had IB over here, and IB was always saying that there was no shorts available. Almost every single time we looked at anything we wanted to short, no shorts available. And then some of the big brokers, you could get some shorts on these, but just huge hard to borrow rates.
Oh, yeah.
And just stuff like that. So, anyways, check out TradeStation. There's many reasons why I would say that, they're great. But, anyways, that's it.
Yeah, that's all we traded today.
That's all we traded. And TRIL, who knows? Maybe we're pulled back. Maybe we're not.
Yeah, maybe.
Maybe we're about to die. I don't know. But, risk to reward looking kind of sweet.
Yeah, it does.
Anyways, that's it. I'm Andy with Mighty Soldier Trades.
And I'm Sarah.
Come check us out.
Check us out. Hi, I'm Sarah with Mighty Soldiers Trades. We really appreciate your support. If you like that video, please like and subscribe. Thanks.